Some people think it is silk press season, but fight the urge. If you are natural, fight the urge to straighten your hair. Alright y'all, hello, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Sai, back with another video as promised. If you're from TikTok, welcome. If you're here from YouTube, welcome. If you are here just because you stumbled across my video, then welcome. And it is a natural hair video. I have not done one of these in years, and I think I just had to start back over at the roots of what got me famous on YouTube, what got me popping on YouTube, what got my views, what got my supporters was natural hair. So I just did a flexi rod set that turned out so perfect. I haven't done a perfect flexi rod set in years, probably because I really didn't even know what I was doing. I'm grown now, I know so much about my hair. I just colored my hair, you know what I mean? And it's time to do protective styling. It's fall, it's winter, you know what I mean? Like, some people think it is silk press season, but fight the urge. If you are natural, fight the urge to straighten your hair. Unless this is like your one time a year, or this is like length check for you, just fight the urge, because unfortunately there are some people that can straighten their hair and they revert back to curly all the time, and then there are some people that can easily get heat damage depending on how much heat they put on there or how it was done. Me personally, I can get heat damage within one straighten, so it's just kind of like I have to choose one, and I choose natural. I definitely do. If y'all watched my previous vlog, I had showed that I went to Sally and got this hair dryer that connects to your blow dryer. So you just put it over your head, connect your blow dryer, put it on low / medium speed, and then warm, not hottest, not the coolest, but the middle temperature. I let the hose sit on this side for 30 minutes, and then I switched it around and let the hose sit on this side for another 30 minutes, and then, like I said, I let the rest dry overnight. And I only used foam for this. Now I wonder if I used other products before on it, like heavier products where it didn't dry as well or it didn't set as well. So what I did was got in the shower and I co-washed my hair. I went ahead and just washed my hair with some conditioner just to make sure it was nice and soft and healthy. T-shirt dried my hair, so it was pretty much dry but not all the way dry. Then I use my Revlon hair drying brush. You guys can see on that TikTok as well that I use the Revlon drying brush to stretch my hair. Now I feel like that is the only reason why I got the results that I got, was because my hair was stretched. It was at its full potential of length, you know, no kinks in it. And I really think that that is a huge step. If you could stretch your hair any other way, if you don't have a Revlon brush, you can definitely use your regular blow dryer and get it stretched is the word, not straight. Stretched is definitely the word. Hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and watch how I did it. I did forget to record me taking my flexi rods out, but that video is on TikTok. I forgot to press record on both of my devices. So if you guys just go watch those two hand in hand, you guys can see the perfect tutorial. But this is basically it. Just make sure that you guys are being very gentle when you're taking down your big curls, and separating them, and make sure you have some type of hair oil on your hand so you can make sure that the hair isn't dry. And then you know, just be careful when you're fluffing it. Don't be too rough. Just take your time and you will have the perfect flexi rod set. Okay.
Can't Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost my hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn, baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for me. So cheap and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not in silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag in a Birkin. No 9 to 5, put your work in. Cause and I love them all to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. So I'll give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real shit's stepping in. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Put around, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. I don't wanna.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Phillies, AK, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' give me when you still owe me, how you gon' do that? Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit?
Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This is the Flexi Rod Set, as you guys see in the thumbnail and the intro, and I'm sure all over Instagram and TikTok. If you guys do not follow me, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at Hollywood Exclusive. I got hacked, so I got a new page. Then go ahead and follow me on Twitter. I do post a lot on Twitter, Hollywood Exclusive as well, and then TikTok exclusively, so no E in the front, okay? And then don't forget to make sure you guys are subscribe, you have your post notifications on, because I am back. I'm so serious. As you guys can see, I'm posting back to back. Like, what more can you ask for? And especially posting back natural hair vids is definitely where I need to be. I'm just gonna keep doing vlogs, keep doing natural hair videos. If you guys have any specific video that you want me to do, go ahead and comment below. But I am so excited to be back. I'm so happy, and this style is so pretty. I'm about to be feeling awesome. Like giving SZA, actually it's giving Sigh. It's not even giving SZA, it's giving Sigh. It's really pretty. Like, this is everything. This is life.